अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। My dear viewers, we are celebrating Muslim Maud, Yom Muslim Maud in different part of life. And now we are going to prophecy of the Hazrat Muslim Maud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. I request Mukarram Sheikh Muhammad Yunus Saab, retired Murabbi Silsila, please describe about the prophecies of the Hazrat Muslim Maud.
So, as we have explained so many things about Hazrat Muslim Maud, that he was a very big scholar and big journal also. So, in time when in Qadian, as Dr. Saab was explaining there, because I was not there at that time, that when the Muslim Maud Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu deliver any speech or any khutbah in the mosque, any jalsa, so there was no speaker. So what was the system at that time to show, to give the message to all the people there? So one man, Hazrat Muslim Maud, also speak, then other man speak, then small distance, then other 2, 3, 4 people till the message can reach in the end. So Hazrat, that time, so people was very worried also that what will be happen now, that Jamaat is spreading, Jamaat is progressing, and what will we do to send the message in far place. So that time Hazrat Muslim Maud said, don't worry, inshallah God is showing me that time will come when one man he will be speak in Qadian, then all over the world the people will be listen my message. So Alhamdulillah, though that was one other prophecy, it was a prophecy of Muslim Maud Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, that time must become in the time of in the age of promised Messiah, when Imam Mahdi will come, this blessing must become, this innovation must become, that when all the people will be able to listen all kind of message of Quran and message of Islam. Yeah. So even at that time when there was a jalsa in Qadian, as you know about that, when there was a jalsa salana,
1922, I think.
Annual meeting there was, then the Ahrar, that time in 1937, in the time of Hazrat Muslim Maud. Time of
34, yeah,
34, sorry. 34. At the time, that time was Ahrar, they were very aggressive that time. And our Jamaat was very small that time. On that time when Hazrat Muslim Maud was speaking in the Jalsa, so they said this mission will be finished very quick, and we will be destroyed all the Qadian. Nobody will be there. All the mission will be finished. Ahrar said. Then
the
opponents of the Ahmadiyya, so they said, they claimed that they. But Hazrat Muslim Maud, when he asked God, pray to God, God show him. God, the Prophet, the Muslim Maud Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, why I am saying that he was a journal. He was a very strong journal. He was very brave. He has a very brave heart. So he announced that I am looking that Ahrar, the earth is going them from their feet. So they are defeating Ahrar, and God is showing me that his angels, they are coming as just like an army is coming to help me. And I am looking now, the God has sent the so many angels to give us the help, and I am sure that God will be help us. Yes. You should not worry. That is the time when Hazrat Muslim Maud announced for the Tariq-e-Jadid. God guided him to announce the Tariq-e-Jadid in 1937. So that is the time
34.
When Hazrat Muslim Maud Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu give this message to the people that you should be pay the contribution of Tariq-e-Jadid. So through by Tariq-e-Jadid, he said you should be spend your life very simply. You should not buy the cloth for 5. You should buy 1 or 2.
Oh,
and also he said, he advised the people that you should cook the food 1 meal only in house. 1 dish.
1 dish.
1 day system.
Yes.
You should use 1 day system. So some people also they were asking this question. Some rich people, they are asking that, Hazur, we have so many money that we can pay the contribution, then we will eat also. Hazur said, no, this is my other my aim. So Hazur said that I want to create a new army who can sacrifice themselves, that they have money, they have food, but they should be sacrificed for others.
Yes, yes.
And they should be sew only 1 cloth. They should be eat only 1 food. And they should be not spend money too much in your married. And also in different kind of places, he said you have to save money for sake of Islam. So this was his desire, that he should be collect the money and save the money for sake of spread the Holy Quran in all over the world. So also when he traveled in Europe, also he went to he came in Germany also, Berlin also. So he laid the foundation in Germany also, and Sweden, and in Denmark and Holland. In all Europe, he started to build the mosque here. So that is the view of the Hazrat Muslim Maud Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, that where we will go, we will build the mosque, we will there recite the Holy Quran, we will give the dars of Quran in everywhere. So also when he built, as I have told in last case, that when he laid down the foundation of the Fazl Mosque, also he write down that I hope to from my God that as soon as we have laid down the foundation of the Baitul Fazl, so I ask God, I am praying God, that God will be spread of the message of Islam and the message of God, which is the Holy Quran, from this place. So God gave us this MTA in the shape of MTA. God gave us this
1994.
In 1994, 96.
96. This prophecy is proof true.
Yes.
In 1996.
Yes. So this was the dream of the Hazrat Muslim Maud, which complete on the time of the Hazrat Mirza Tahir Ahmad Sahib. So Mirza Tahir Ahmad Sahib also, he tried his best to take this contract of the MTA. Even once time I was here in London. I was going to Sierra Leone at that time for the preaching of Islam. They have appointed me in Sierra Leone. So that is time I stay in 1 month in London. So that time was the holy month of Ramzan. So that time when we were making a contract with the for the satellite. So once in the Darsal Quran class, Hazur announced and he talked. He said, yesterday I was so much worried because the government told us that tomorrow in the time of 6 o'clock, when the time is for cut fast, that will be the time when maybe message will come that if your contract is accepted or not accepted. So Hazur was so worried. He was praying all the time that we must be got a contract. So Hazur said, as soon as when the time reach to cut fast, that is the time when my private secretary said, you have to listen the telephone. That they are talking something. So when he listened, Hazur listened the message from the government with the phone. They said,
allowed?
congratulations to you that your contract has accepted.
Accepted. You
And
are allowed.
you are allowed to use now satellite.
Yes.
And Hazur was very happy that time, that day. Hazur was so much happy.
Spread the Quran, spread the
Because
Islam.
that was the dream of Hazrat Muslim Maud.
Yes.
And he is the one, God gave him chance to complete this dream through by his son, Mirza Tahir Ahmad Sahib. And he is very happy. And now, what he has, Hazrat Muslim Maud, Hazrat Khalifa Rabi Rahimullah also, he announced in the time of 100-year celebration that we will be the translate Holy Quran in the 100 language.
Yes.
So in this MTA, we are listening and we are looking that all these translations of the Holy Quran is spreading day and night in all over the world now.
All over.
So Jamaat Ahmadiyya is getting progress by the grace of Allah, by the help of angel of God, which the promised Messiah ﷺ and Hazrat Muslim Maud Razaliyah Ta'ala anhu at that time 1934 has announced that I am looking that angel of God, they are coming as an army to help me. And this RR people, they will be defeated and you will not see them again.
Yes.
They have defeated already.
Yes.
And we didn't see them again. And we are lucky people, Jamaat Ahmadiyya, through by blessing of the Khilafat, through by blessing of the Hazrat Muslim Maud dreams, we have got a MTA and we got this 100 in languages through by Khilafat blessing, blessing of Khilafat. And we have this kind of achievement. In somewhere in school, shape of school, somewhere in shape of hospital, somewhere in shape of education, and somewhere we are going to give them water well, mosque, and also Langar Khana, Hazrat Masih Maud. We are making this Langar Khana to the poor people and those people who don't have chance for food. We are going to give them. So these are the services of Islam. These are the services of the Holy Quran, which we have give from that time when the Hazrat Muslim Maud was born, and he started this services of Islam till today. We are busy in this services of Islam by grace of Allah.
My dear viewers, we are looking that the God is helping for spread of Islam. God helping the Ahmadiyya, God helping the Khulfa, God helping the our Hazrat Muslim Maud, what he said, and we are today we are seeing that the Islam is spreading only through the Ahmadiyya Jamaat. God bless you all. Inshallah, we will come again about this topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.